city of Chicago is just an awesome dining city. It's an area where the independents thrive, best of breed in the industry, our opening locations. It's got to be one of the best dining cities in the country.
Mickey's services 5,500 customers throughout the Midwest. We process about 40 million pounds of laundry every year, 55,000 uniforms. In Chicago, we service 1,500 customers. We have about 120 people working in the Chicago location.
We're putting out about 65 trucks a day on the street. Typical route might service 25, 30 customers in a given day. Most of them are 4-day, some are 5-day routes.
The most difficult thing is making sure that everything is organized and we're delivering everything as efficiently and effectively as possible.
Working with the team at Utilimaster has been great. They know our needs, they know our industry, they have our spec dialed in, and they make the process very easy.
They're an extension of our team. Utilimaster has the same interests and responsibilities as we do to our people.
Safety is one of the top things on our agenda. The Utilimaster team helped us design some of those safety features to make it easier for our guys getting in and out of the vehicle.
Utilimaster is both the people and the product. Consistency, communication, ability to execute and deliver when they say that they're going to deliver. And that's what Utilimaster does.